YouTube. He loves it. He has so much gums. Sorry, I took the garbage out, so it's a little bit sticky. Sorry.
Let's see what you're doing. This is the song. I'm actually recording everything.
Are you recording? Don't record.
You're supposed to work with your shoes on.
I always just have my shoes off no matter where I am.
Okay, so if you need me, just call me, alright? Have fun.
Who are those people, Mom?
That's, Sue. You remember Sue that came the other night?
No.
She was here on New Year's Eve, and that's her son and girlfriend.
Okay.
Alright, don't record me. Ugh.
I am.
I do not like to be recorded.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Ronnie, I bought you, socks and, come here, I'll show you what Mama bought you.
Mama,
Huh?
I made a lot of videos. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Don't put it on YouTube. Come on, go downstairs. I don't want
Why not put it on YouTube?
to. God.
Why? Because
Come here.
I'm recording. Sorry, guys.
Oh, let's see what Mama got you.
What you got me?
My underwear. Don't look at underwear.
I'm recording that.
Shorts?
No, actually, I am recording all of this.
Do you want to... These are comfy socks. And look at this one.
What is it? Is it Mario?
No.
Is it Minecraft? Like a boss.
What was that?
Like a boss.
You like it?
Thank you. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I was expecting for that.
Oh.
I'm actually recording this all.
No, don't record it.
I am.
Don't.
Yes. I was expecting to get this shirt. You finally got it. Yeah, where's the dog? Come on, Jackie. Hi, Zizzy. I'm Jackie. I get them names. See, that's a dog. Alright. This is what I all set up. Blurry, isn't it? I just say in the comments. What? How do I fix that? You don't keep behind the camera. I don't know how you do it. Get so many subscribers. So I'm gonna do this if try to. Alright, this shirt, I'm going to show my whole class what it is.
You gonna wear it tomorrow?
Yep.
Alright.
I'm recording still.
Don't record. I don't want it to be recorded.
What?
Ugh.
This PlayStation.
Don't put my foot.
No, really, I am recording.
Oh.
What?
Okay, you record whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Don't put it on YouTube.
Why not? Why? I'm gonna do it. Don't tell my mom I'm putting this. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. She does not like being recorded. I think this video's gonna be too long. So just bye, guys. Alright, like, subscribe, please. Comment down below, and bye, guys.